15th July 2026. That's a deadline most students think they have, but it's not. And that one misunderstanding is why thousands of students miss Germany every single intake. Here's what actually happened when you apply. If your program uses Uni-Assist, which most international ones does, Uni-Assist themselves say, allow at least 8 weeks for processing. Evaluation alone 4 to 6 weeks. So working backwards from July 15th, your real submission deadline is somewhere around early May. And that's the optimistic version. Surprisingly, unlike majority, there are many programs that even don't wait until July. Some closes in March, some in May. A few top programs are already closed for winter intake as of today. So the question isn't, do I have time? The question is, which of the programs are still open right now? And if you can't answer that instantly, that's the problem. And I can imagine exactly where you are. You have got tabs open on your computer. You have Googled best university in Germany. Maybe you have even got a rough list. But there's no system, no deadlines tracked, no sense of what's Uni-Assist versus direct universities are. Many students come to me at exactly this stage, and the ones that make it to Germany all did one thing differently. They stopped browsing and started executing. So I built something to fix this. It's free of cost. It's on ETA-Infi's website. You filter Germany's programs by subject, city, language, application type, and you get not 22,000 plus options. You get your option in minutes. But the part that actually changes how you work is that you don't just browse. You download your entire shortlist as an Excel file, and that Excel becomes the only document you need for next 3 months. Degree name, university, location, duration, deadlines, requirements, everything in one place. So your brain isn't the filing system anymore. The students who don't make it to Germany, most of them weren't rejected. They ran out of the runway. They spent March and April researching. They submitted in late June to programs that closed in May. Not unluckily, just unorganized. So here's what this week looked like if you are serious. You go to etainfi.com, you build your shortlist, aim for 15 to 30 programs, you download the Excel, and the first thing you do with it is to sort by deadline. Anything closing before June moves to the top. Those gets your attention first. Then you split them. Uni-Assist application on one side, direct on the other. The Uni-Assist ones start now. Documents get cleaned in parallel. Not after you have chosen programs, at the same time. If you need the full walkthrough, how to actually navigate Uni-Assist, how to use the Excel properly, what documents to prepare, I have made those videos already. They're on this channel. Start there after you have downloaded your shortlist. Germany doesn't reward the most qualified applicants. It rewards the most prepared one. Comment with your questions. I reply each one of them. And consider subscribing so you don't miss the next cool video. And we are also happy to welcome you to our Discord server where we are building a strong community to help each other. Enjoy the day. Tschüss.